Hello guys, welcome to Sichigoro channel. This video I'm gonna create eating particle like this video. You can see this particle are actually amazing and very hard. So for create this I have to open particle pf. But first I need to create shape of particle eating. I will create it by myself and it's not gonna hard. I just created through plan. Choose a texture of food for this. For example, apple. And I select unwrap in this group and I changed this plans in this background to see this well. Well, my shapes are ready. Now we have to go open particle pf for creating eating particle. I will to drag it out of my class. Go to particle and open pf source, rotate it there, bring a plan and change its texture. So I've created my plan. Now for pf particle. First I need to open gravity and Deflector. Second, we will show you how to change inside of particle view to make particle eating. First, change shape, make it shape instance. Second, open some option for this. First, force, delete, under display, collision, change it one by one. First burst, I'm writing 16. Now position icon. Just change location and make it surface. Now speed. 300 is fine and for variation rated 1 and direction make it to be random 3D. Now for force. Click add and choose gravity. Now let's go to gravity and make it 2. Don't touch it, and if it isn't random 3D, make it random 3D, not other of this option. Just random 3D. Now for shape instance. Click none and choose a shape. And click group member and for scale, make it 134. Now collision. Click add and choose Deflector and make it stop. Second, delete. Click by particle age and make lifespan to be 12 and for variation is not problem. 10 is good. Now go to display. Last is go geometry. Click M to open material editor. This material is apple, and remember that you should to click two-sided and go in this and choose apple like this and click it. Now for opacity. If you don't have any opacity from this texture of food, you can create it in paint, and it's not gonna be hard. Each one of texture need to be none. So here is fine, but it's not collision to this plan, and it's not delete and remove. You can see actually it's great, but we need to drag it up and fix this problem. Copy shape instance and drag it out of this background. I install it and I add two options for this: rotation and delete. First rotation and second and last is delete. Rotation, make it speed space flow. Now for delete, click biparticle edge and just make first to be 8. Now last is display. Like that tutorial, make it geometry and watch it again. Yes, it's not still collision and stop because we will still not pick object. Now I'm gonna see it. I should to scale it to be big. Yeah, actually it's very great. Like that tutorial. So finally I could to create particle edge like that game. Now we can create every scene of particle in 3ds Max to make animation VFX like Minecraft. But you will still have one problem or question. I know what's that. You should to make it potato or bean or something like food or fruit. Right, for example, I'm change this and choose, for example, I choose cookie, and for opacity I go to create it, Trauk paint. We actually want to make white black and make texture of this cookie white. Now my texture opacity of cookie is ready. I should to save it in its location. I write it opacity and save it. Trauk PNG. So I find it. Cookie opacity. Now we will go to see it in render. That's fine, but I should to change it. Remember that always you want to change someone of food, change this cookie. Finally I could to make it texture well. Now we will see this particle eating again, but with a new texture of food cookie. Yep, here's good. Awesome. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you like it and enjoy. And if you want, please subscribe my channel to see every scene of my new video to learning how to create something like this. And if you have very problem or question, just tell me. I can help you. See you soon guys.